In question 9, we've been asked to solve an inequality and then represent that inequality on this number line. Well, the first thing we can do is to add 3 to all elements. Therefore, -4 is less than or equal to 2a, which is less than or equal to 8. Now, just to get a on its own, we can divide by 2. Therefore, -2 is less than or equal to a, which is less than 4. So a can be -2, so this can be a filled-in circle. A can get very close to 4, but it can't be 4, so this has to be a circle with a hole in it. We can put the line between, and that will be your answer.